Hi everyone, welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to do a normal distribution and an exponential distribution. So we have an example, the coffee shop with the management aptitude exam. So we are given a normal distribution, the mean is 72 and the standard deviation of it is 8. So the first question they're asking us is what is the probability that a randomly selected manager is going to score above 60? So to solve this is an above. So the first thing we need to identify is what function we're going to use. Well, we just did that. That's going to be the normal distribution. So to do that, we're going to do 1 minus norm.dist, and then we're going to plug in. So if we look at the function, our x, which is what we're solving for, 60, our mean, which is 72, our standard, which is 8. Now the cumulative, we put true because if they're not asking us for an exact value. So if they ask us what is the probability that a randomly selected manager will score exactly 60, then we would put false. But because we're asking for above 60, we're going to put true. So that's how you would do an above for a normally distribution, or greater than, rather. So next we have what is the probability that a randomly selected manager will score between 60 and 80? Well, with between, we're finding the difference between two different data sets. So for this, we're going to do norm.dist. So we're going to do 80, 72, 8 true, minus norm.dist, which is 60, 72, 8 and true. Subtract the 2, and we get 0.774538. Now, they also asked us for what is the top 10 manager scores that are above what score. So to solve this, you would think, oh, 0.10, we just plug into here. Well, not quite. We have to subtract that from 1. So we do 0.10, so we do 1 minus 0.1, which is equal to 0.9. And then we have 72 and 8, which is going to get us 82.25241. And that's how you do a normal distribution. Now next, we're going to figure out how to do an exponential distribution. So here, they're asking us, what is the probability of the time between complaints going to be 12 minutes or less? So we need to identify what's our distribution type. It's going to be an exponential distribution. And remember, they're asking us for more than. So more than with exponent distribution is going to be 1 minus exponent.dist. And it's going to be 12. Now with lambda, be careful. You might think, oh, it's 12 again. Well, not quite. You just have to do a 1 over. And then true, because we're not looking for an exact value. So this was actually less. That's a common mistake. Don't get confused there. You want to do just exponent.dist, and then this is 30 or more. So since we have or more, we subtract 1 minus exponent.dist, and we're looking for 30 here. And that's going to get us 0.082085. And that's how you do a normal distribution. That's how you do an exponential distribution. I hope you found this video helpful. Like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.